Hello, folks. Hope you are all doing good. So, in this video, we will try to understand how we can use classes in TypeScript like any other programming language. Now, before proceeding ahead, I will ask you one question, and that is in TypeScript, how you can define a constructor in a class. Using the constructor keyword, using the init keyword, using the same name as a class, or constructors are not allowed in TypeScript classes. You can watch the video and you will get the answer. I will also give you the answer at the end of the video. So, let's get started. So, I will start by creating one interface. I will name this I person and I will give one name to the person of the type string, and the person will also have an age of the type number. Now you must be knowing, if you come from C Sharp or Java background, that the interface can also have some kind of function, like only the declaration we can have over there. So I will also be having one function called person info, which will be returning some string. Now I will have to create one class called person, and this person class will be implementing the iPerson interface. And now inside, I will have, let's say, one name string and one age of number. Now this comma should not be present here. So that's it. And now I will use one constructor, and this constructor will also be accepting one name of the type string and one age of the type number. And inside, what I want to do is I want to assign these values. So I will assign this dot name the value of name, and I will assign with this dot age the value of age. Now I also must be having the person info. There is one error it is already throwing over here. Class person incorrectly implements the interface iPerson, property person info is missing. Yeah, that is right. And that is because since I have declared this person info in the interface, I also have to write this function over here. So I will take this person info, and it is automatically completing it, that it will be returning one string. And let's say this will return something like this. This dot name is this dot age years old. This dot age plus years old. And that's it, very simple string. So we have made this class, and now we will see how can we basically create an object of this class and etc etc. So I will create one small p person equals to new person. Like this is very similar to Java or C Sharp or anything else. And inside I will pass like whatever is expected in the constructor. So I will pass basically my John, let's say, and John is, let's say, 20 years old. Now, after this one, we have an object called person. We can basically call all of this like methods and everything. And let's say we will also log the same thing here. So I will log this dot name is this dot age years old. And now let me simply execute this function. So note, and we don't see anything, and that is because we have only created this object. We have not really called this person info. So if I do something like this, person dot person info, and now if I execute, you will see John is 20 years old. And this is how basically it works. Super simple, like any other programming language. Now, coming back to the question that I asked at the beginning of the video, in TypeScript, how can you define a constructor in a class? And if you have watched earlier and you already know, that option A is the correct answer. So, this is the end of the TypeScript series. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of series you want next. And also, if you have learned something new in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It gives me a lot of motivation to create a lot more videos like this. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.